Hello guys, how are you? In this video, we will be discussing about totally new programming language that is Swift programming language. There are so many subscribers of my YouTube channel who are raising question about that what is Swift programming language. Yet this is the programming language that is specifically designed for Apple operating system, that is iOS operating system or Mac operating system. But in this video, what I am going to discuss about is that what is Swift programming language, because my subscribers constantly asking that can you give me some proper knowledge about Swift programming language, because this is the need of our future programming language, because this is the programming language which is totally designed for and dedicated for Apple and iOS operating system. This programming language helps us to design Apple products like Apple Watches, Apple apps, and so many other things that are related to iPhones and Mac. So this is very popular programming language. Now in this video, what we will be discussing is that what is Swift programming language and what are the features of Swift programming language. You can say that this video is very interesting and basically dedicated about the Swift programming language, because there are so many programmers who do not aware about Swift programming language. So in this video I have tried to make you understand the basic awareness and basic understanding of the Swift programming language. So in order to understand Swift, we have to carefully dive into the video so that every second of the video you can utilize. Simply you can say that Swift 4 is a new programming language that is developed by Apple for iOS and operating system X development. So now basically we have to understand some conceptual features of the Swift programming language. Let's understand this. You can say that Swift programming language, which latest version I think is Swift 4, is very safe programming patterns that create very safe programming patterns. It comes with modern programming features. Also it provides objective C like syntax, and it is a fantastic way to write iOS related apps, and it provides seamless access to existing Coco frameworks. It unifies the procedural and object oriented portions of the language, and it does not need a separate library to import support functionalities like input output or string handling. So these are the some features of the Swift programming language. I think that you have understood. Then you have to subscribe our channel. Now you will be thinking about that why I have made this video in English language, because this is the programming language which is used by so many intellectual person. Like intellectual person means the person who do know much about the programming, much about the coding. So I have decided about making this video in English, because whoever is trying to learn Swift programming language, who also do aware with a language like English, and it is totally dedicated for iOS. So I have thought that this programming language is usually used by the rich people who use iOS operating system, and the person who is interested in Swift programming language must have devices related to Apple brand. So I have decided to make this video in English. Whether you have not understood this video in English, then simply you have to comment below in our comment section that please upload this part of the video in Hindi, so that I will try my level best to upload this video in Hindi language as well. You do know about that this is our Hindi YouTube channel in which I used to upload the videos related to technology, coding, unboxing, and so many things whichever is related to our technology and technical stimulation. So in order to get the notification of all the types of the video that you want to get uploaded on my YouTube channel, simply you have to thing that you have to subscribe our channel so that whenever I upload content on my channel, you can get the notification of all the video at all. And if you like this video, then simply smash the like button and share this video whoever want to learn programming or Swift programming language. Thanks for watching this video.